Hello and welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on some clamps that I picked up second hand. Somebody was closing down their workshop. I basically just went and bought every single type of clamp they had. Wasn't asking too much. I paid £5 for these Iaski corner clamps. I thought I'd try them. They only wanted £5 for a pair, and on Amazon this morning I checked and they were £20 for a pair. So I thought, no harm in trying them. I'm not a big fan, I have to say, after trying them. They look like a really good idea, which is why I decided to have them. You put your two pieces of wood in, and you tighten it. It just brings you to a perfect square. Now, problems I have is there's no quick release, or there's no quick release mechanism on these, so it takes quite a while to adjust them. It does really nicely bring in your corners into a square, and obviously if that was a mitre joint it would bring the mitre together very nicely. So they seem like a good idea. Problem that I have is no quick adjustment, no quick release, but also because they're so big, you'd want 4 of them obviously to build your box, but because the handles are so big, you can't, your handles are going to be knocking into each other. You're really going to be wanting to build a box of kind of no smaller than 2 feet. Anything smaller than 2 feet, I don't think they would work. But if you're building a 2 foot by 2 foot box, they're a very quick way of getting the corner absolutely lined up and straight. I personally have used a band clamp most of the time, and I find these to be absolutely spot on for when I'm building my planters. Put the band all the way around the outside, you've got your 4 corners, and as you tighten it, it just brings everything perfectly into square. Well, in theory it doesn't necessarily bring it perfectly into square, it brings it all sort of square, but I suppose if you haven't got your angles right, then it wouldn't be perfectly square, whereas this, even if you haven't got your angles quite right, it is going to make the corner perfectly 90-degree angle. So I can see that they've got their uses, but I don't think it's for me. But I'm going to keep them, and I will try them on a project where I have got a 2 foot by 2 foot type frame that I want to build, and just give them a fair shot and see how I get on with them, and maybe do a follow-up video after that. So hopefully that's useful if you're thinking about buying them. Comments, questions below. If you've got time to like the video, that would be fantastic, and if you've got time to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, that's even better. Until next time, stay safe.